What's up, everyone? It's your girl.
All right, pause, granddad. I know I look a hot mess right now, but I promise by the end of this video, I will look just like those beginning clips. Continue to watch to see how.
Jylesa, and I am here with another video. I want to first say thank you so much for stopping by my channel and welcome. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not a part of the family, I promise it's free. We don't charge you no money for this. So if you want to subscribe, join the family for my next videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my current curly hair routine. Now, my hair started to crust up because of gel, and I did a photo shoot yesterday, and this particular person didn't tell me. So yes, if you watch this video, I'm shading you right now. You know who you are. But anyway, so I decided I was going to go ahead and wash my hair and do my curly girl routine for you guys. So throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you each product that I use for every step, and all of the links to the products will be below for you for your convenience. I'll also give pricing of each product as well for your convenience. Now, the mixture of products that I'm using, I did not get this idea on my own. This curly hair routine idea I actually got from Finally Amber. So if you're not following her on Instagram, go ahead and do so. She is the OG of curly hair. That's what I like to call her, and she's very knowledgeable in what she speaks about. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check her out. She has more videos detailing this in more detail, but I got the idea for the mixture of products from them. So throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the products. So let's just get into what you came here for.
Alright, you guys, so the first step is going to be the shampoo, and I use the Detangling Hydration Shampoo from the Main Choice. This is freshly washed hair, as you can see. Yes, girl, go ahead, do your thing. But I'm just going to go ahead and part that back section of my hair so that I can get it out of the way. I'm going to spray my hair with water because I find that these products work better when my hair is really, really wet. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the leave-in, the Tropical Moringa leave-in from the Main Choice. And basically what I'm going to do is apply that throughout my hair. Make sure to get all the tangles out. And now I'm going to go over that with the Main Choice Sealing Cream from the Tropical Moringa line as well. And I'm also going to then apply that to my hair. Now, just to let you guys know, normally I apply my leave-in in the shower, but for the sake of this video, I did it in front of you guys so you could see. And that's kind of like the consistency of the product. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to rake that through my hair. And as you can see, I take my time in doing this because I want to make sure that the product really gets into my hair. And not just sit on the surface. So as you can see, my hair pretty much absorbs that product. And now we're going to go over that with the Extreme, the Wetline Extreme Gel. Now I use this to define my curls, and as you can see, again, I am making sure that I smooth that gel over my hair shaft in a downward motion and making sure till I feel it feels smooth, if that makes sense. I'll continue to do that until it feels smooth. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull apart that section into smaller sections and twirl my fingers around my hair twice. I'm only going to do it twice because then if I do it more than that, it turns into like a coil. And I'm just going to do that same thing on the other side. Again, taking it, only twirling 1-2 times. Don't have to go that much more than that. 2 times, because if I go any further, it's going to turn into a full coil. This is my hair after I've done the full back and some of the sides, and now we're going to go ahead and go to the front. Now I know that was kind of quick, but it's really redundant watching me do the same thing over and over again. So I'm on the front now, and as you can see, I'm just taking it smaller sections, rotating, and now this is the final 2 strands that I twirled. And as you can see, now I know in the natural hair community, every time we see white, we think it's the worst thing ever, but I promise you guys, my hair does dry to the point where it's black and there's no white residue on it or anything. My hair is not extremely crunchy. I think because of the mixture of products, it really meshes well together. Now my last and final step is just to blow dry, and I usually diffuse until my hair is about 85% dry, and then the rest of it I let air dry.
Alright, you guys, so I have finished blow drying my hair, and as you can see, my curls look amazing. I really like how this came out. My hair right now is about 85% dry. It's not fully dried as of yet. And so normally in this time frame, I would actually like pick out my roots a little bit, but they're still a little damp and I'm running on limited body, like I'm running on limited battery life right now. So I normally just take the roots a little bit and just like, you know, but just like I said, my hair is a little bit damp. I actually don't like picking it too much while it's damp. But this pretty much concludes my curly girl routine for my hair. And so that concludes this video. I hope this guys helps you out on your curly routine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and come back and visit me sometime, okay? Remember, subscribing is free. You don't have to pay anything for it, so just go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Please and thank you. Peace.